My girlfriend on Facebook like 3 weeks ago going, when are the flies again for back to school? And I go,
it was first week of July.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez, it is another one.
Is that one?
Yeah. Oh,
It's black.
what the fuck? Here. Oh.
Sure it's that one?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a black one.
Look.
The black one?
A black stripe. It's got black
No,
spots.
good.
Stripe.
Shit.
Oh, jeez. Oh.
It's black.
Hey.
I'm so bad at that.
Mona.
Cat or whatever, man. That's what my daughter get for it. That's enough for me. We got a black sheep of the kittens.
Came out in the. It's still in the sack and everything. Yeah, she's licking it off.
The other one's coming out from the sunsack?
Yep.
Yeah.
Aww.
Yep, there it goes. Come on, Mona. Yeah. Mona, lick it. Oh, yeah. Your first breath.
Oh, is she still delivering?
No. Oh, he's choking. Mona. Come get this one. Oh. Mona.
Mona.
You got it?
There. She was fucking ignoring it.
Oh, she's got 4 other ones. I think she knows what's going on. I think it'll figure it out.